'cause I'm slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose who I gave.
Yeah, scissors! Hold on. Okay. So we're gonna open this box. This baby right here. Oh my word! It's a letter A for Albornoz. Yes! Yes, it's an A. It's just an A. Like that. That was nice. Maddie! It's a rat! It's a mug rat. Look. Another overdramatic packer. Stop it! Let me go get the baby. I'll be right back. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. I got hello. Yeah. Got hello. That's that. And then I got some boxwood. And last but not least, it's the infamous, Hobby Lobby shelf. So, yeah, this is what it looks like that. Yeah. And that's it, people. Guys, do you like this wig? Because I don't know what to think about it. Like, I don't know what to think. I have several that I purchased because, you know, homegirl is losing her hair. And I can't be walking around like the bald-headed eagle. You know, homegirl can't walk around like the bald-headed eagle. It's not going to happen. Oh. Say hello, now go away.
Go get some food, man.
Say hello, now go away.
Hello.
Don't be mad. Don't say hello like that to my sunshine. Say it nicer. Say it nicer. He's cranky. You know he's always cranky when I don't feed him. But this wig is making me look old. What do y'all think? Like, what do y'all think? Tell me. you know. So,
Oh, I will.
anyhow, let me show you guys the stuff that I put up. I took out the box the other day. Let me show y'all what it's looking like. Do you guys see that A up there? Look at that A. Look at the A. A. Yeah. I put the A up there that I just put up. And, of course, the infamous Keurig. And my little, you know, my tea. This is my tea station, guys. Like, literally. I'm not a coffee person. I'll drink it every now and then, but I'm not a coffee person. I'm mainly a tea person. That's why it's there. And, of course, the tray that I showed you guys that I did, I set it up. So it says, let your faith be bigger than your fear. Sorry, the TV is loud. And then I just put a box foot in here in one of the Dunn mugs, and then I have to get my alright. So up there I just have my cheese guy, and then my little cheese is back there, and my flour, welcome home flour, it's right there. And then my cut, my sugar. I can't adult today. I've never been able to. So yeah, it's only fit that I have that there. I have another boxwood in a buzz. I just plucked that out of the 3 planters. I just plucked that out and put it there. And then I have my blessed surf and sand down here. We go together like salt and pepper, you know, because, you know, we're salt and pepper. My husband and I are salt and pepper, you know. And then I have my butter. My butter is right there. So that's how far I've gotten with the whole Ray Dunn stuff. Like, yeah, it's crazy. But anywho, I'm loving this wig. I'm loving this wig. It looks a bit shiny, but I'm loving it for the summer. Like, yeah. I gotta do my eyebrows. Yeah, they're looking a little cray-cray right now. There's hair growing here. You know, I gotta pluck some of that stuff out. I'm like, ugh, pluck it out and then do it. And then, you know, my little beady eyes. They're like little beady eyes. You know, I gotta put some shadows and stuff. I gotta beat the face. But I'm not gonna beat my face right now because it's almost bedtime. Like, who beats their face for bed? Nobody does that. You know, I'll slap a little lip color on and call it a day, but I'm not gonna beat my face. No, you crazy? You cray-cray? But anywho, I just want to come on here and say hello and show you guys what I've been up to. I've been up to nothing really, but yeah. So anywho, if you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, and I will talk to you guys later. I have new subscribers, so I just want to give you guys a shout out. This is not my real voice. I don't even know why I'm doing this, but if you're new here, my name is Janice. Welcome to my channel. And right here. But anywho, if you're new here, my name is Janice. I vlog my whole entire life. Not really, but yeah, that's that. I'm on here to say hello to you guys, and I'm just like hunched over. I don't know why I'm hunched over. Why? But my whole diet and exercise thing is going great. I lost 8 pounds. Yeah, yes, truly I've lost 8 pounds, and I'm still going, so wish me luck on that, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.